Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be breaking down both trade alerts on US 30 as well as NAS 100. Absolutely crushed it today. I have yet to take a NAS 100 trade in a while. We jumped in today from a market order standpoint. Awesome day, 20 fucking thousand dollars. Once again, could have made a lot more money if I held on to these trades longer, but that's okay because nobody goes broke taking profits. Absolutely crushed today. Two lots, NAS 100. We're going to break down the trades, break down alerts, signals, everything inside the private VIP Telegram, which is exactly what you see here on the left-hand side. So I always want to be transparent with you guys and show you the signals, the alerts are getting sent out each and every single morning. Today is obviously December 5th, and we were watching at this very morning, we were watching US 30, dirty 30. This one we were looking for a buy at 36.07260, basically coming down, looking for it to hold support and have a nice little push to the upside, followed by, right, so we were watching that one as well as NAS 100. NAS 100, basically the same thing, coming down, looking for it to hold the support zone, push back to the upside. Now, obviously, we have our areas of take profit and our stop loss. This is something that we've been doing here in the private VIP Telegram group. Everyone's loving it from a take profit and stop loss standpoint. But let's fast forward here. And when the market opened, US 30 instantly squeezed up for take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3 before basically hitting a resistance here at these two moving averages before she finally sold off. However, this one, I missed this one. So as I sent the signal alert to the group. Then I was basically updating the chart, posting the chart with the stop loss to take profits. At that point, she was already moving. I'm like, well, fuck it. I already hit take profit 1, so I'm not even gonna try to take this trade. Then obviously I got in for NAS 100. NAS 100 actually ripped up. So with NAS 100, this one, let's find it here. NAS 100 is very interesting because this one, what happened was it popped and then it pulled back. And then when it pulled back is when I was able to jump in this thing. It held the support very nice, beautiful wick here. And then she squeezed up for take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. But that wasn't it. With NAS 100, I mean, it just took off running. So again, awesome day today in the signals. We're crushing it day in and day out. If you guys are ever interested in joining this and being part of the VIP Telegram group, it is going to be the very first link below this YouTube video. It is very cheap, very affordable to sign up. It's only $59 a month. At any point, I might raise that price. Guys, see what we're doing here in 2024, but everyone is crushing it day in and day out. Now, let's see what we look at on the bigger chart, bigger time frame. Do you see that this is NAS 100 here? We're basically holding this support zone area. This is why I liked it from a buy standpoint. And then lastly, US 30, dirty 30. This one here, this one did start off very choppy today. Like I said, market opened at 8:30. Market opened at 8:30. Basically looking for it. I was basically looking for it to basically hold again this previous support zone area, right? What it did in the past. Looking for it to do again. It did squeeze up, but then she did drop down. But then it became very choppy before finally US 30 did take off running. So interesting because NAS 100 has been very choppy, very shitty the past couple of days, and today was a monster move with it, and it kind of like reversed. Now US 30 was kind of shitty today, but tomorrow's Wednesday. We'll come to the market, see what's going on, and determine the next trade, whether it's a US 30 or a NAS 100. So that's it for today's trade recap. Hopefully you guys liked it. Helps and educates you in some shape or form. If you guys are interested, again, in being part of the VIP Telegram group, it's going to be the very first link below this YouTube video. If not, continue watching my free education YouTube videos. Hopefully, you guys liked the video. Subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below. And remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profits. Cheers.